back to my channel. So today we're gonna make dal, which is lentil soup for all of you guys, but for Desi people, for Indian people, it's dal. I'm gonna cook moong masoor ki dal, which is full of protein and very healthy. And you can eat it with rice, you can eat it with chapati, or you can eat it just like as a soup also. So yeah, here's the video and let's get started. This is masoor ki dal. It's kind of reddish light red color, and this is moong ki dal, yellow dal. And then I'm gonna wash it with water properly. Alright guys, I'm gonna rinse the dal, and then this is pressure cooker. This is the easiest and fastest way to make dal. And yeah, I'm gonna put 1 bowl of dal in this, and you can add 3 bowls of water in that, or more than that if you want, but the 3 is good, I think so. And then I'm gonna add salt according to my taste. You can add whatever your taste is, and mix it up and close the lid and turn on the stove. And you're gonna cook it till the first whistle. Alright guys, meanwhile the dal is cooking, we're gonna prepare tadka. We need onion, tomato, garlic, ginger and chilies for that. And I'm gonna chop all of this. While I'm chopping this, I want to tell you dal is super delicious and very healthy, full of protein for everyone in your family. While you can eat it with the tadka, but for the kids you can serve them plain dal, which is very good for them. Alright guys, so I have put the pan on the stove and it's heating up. I'm gonna add some oil in it. Here it is. It's gonna be like 2 tablespoons or something. And yeah, I'm gonna add cumin seeds in there and 2 dried red chilies. The moment they turn a little brown, little golden brown, I'm gonna add ginger and garlic in that. And after this, we're gonna add onions. Alright, we're gonna cook it properly, and then we're gonna add, the moment it turns brown, really golden brown, we're gonna add tomatoes and green chilies in there. Alright, so it turned golden brown, and I'm adding green chilies and tomatoes in this. There are like 2 tomatoes. And we're gonna cook it as well. Alright, now it's time to add Indian masalas. First of all, turmeric. And then red chili powder. And kitchen king masala, which is kind of garam masala. And again, mix it all well. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water, just like 1 or 2 ounces, so that it doesn't boil, and cook properly. After 3 to 5 minutes of cooking, the masala is ready, or tadka, we call it tadka. The tadka is ready, and I'm gonna put it in a dal. Let's open the dal also. And yeah, after like the moment it's about to whistle, I have turned off the stove, and now this is how the dal looks. Alright, so it's time to add tadka in there. Let's do this. After adding the tadka, mix it very well with the dal and cook the dal for next 2 to 3 minutes more on full flame. guys, lentil soup or dal is totally ready. You can serve it in a bowl and enjoy. Alright guys, so here's the lentil soup ready, which is moong masoor ki dal. You can eat it with rice, roti or just as a soup. I'm gonna taste it for all of you guys. It's super hot right now. It's super delicious, full of protein, and yeah, that's it. My next video, I'm gonna show you how to make GR rice, which you can accompany with this and eat it with dal. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and happy quarantine days, guys. I know it's really hard, but yeah, enjoy your days.